Hi, I'm Steve Martin with South Texas Tack, and I'm excited to be able to introduce my family, my wife Nancy, and my daughter Elle. South Texas Tack is really excited to announce a new partnership with the Texas State 4-H and South Texas Tack. This is a project we've worked on for nearly a year, and we're able to roll it out this last April with tremendous response. South Texas Tack has always been, since 2003, our inception, always been interested in kids and agriculture, and kids period. And this was just a tremendous opportunity to put all of our efforts together, concentrated in one group, and get behind them, and not just as a regional level, but cover really the whole state. And we're just really excited about the opportunity. Nancy's going to tell you a little bit about the Texas State 4-H member program that South Texas Tack is offering.
The member benefits for all Texas 4-H members and new members that South Texas Tack is offering is 5% off their total purchase on qualifying items. In addition to the 5% off, South Texas Tack is going to be giving the Texas 4-H 5% off each purchase back to the foundation to support programs and scholarships throughout the state. We have set the member benefits up to be used online and in our store by Texas 4-H members and their families. Our daughter Elle would like to step you through the sign-up process.
Hi everyone, I'm Elle Martin, a Texas 4-H member. I participate in the Bluebonnet 4-H in Washington County. I would like to show you how easy it is to sign up for the South Texas Tack Texas 4-H member benefits. From the weekly email you receive from being a Texas 4-H member, at the bottom of the email is a link to South Texas Tack. Once you get to this page, you will have two options. Option 1, already a South Texas Tack member, or Option 2, new South Texas Tack member. If you are already a customer, you will need to log in right here. If not, click the new South Texas Tack customer and fill out the form to create your account. Now you're logged in and can receive your South Texas Tack Texas 4-H member benefits. Once you join, you're signed up. The hard part is over. Shop online or in the Brenham store to receive and give your 5%. Thank you for helping us support Texas 4-H. We appreciate you.